Om Namah Shivaya, Song 25. The Trinity, Lord Shiva at the Agnya wheel, the place in between the eyebrows, the third eye. Lord Vishnu is sleeping on the bed of snakes on the sea of nectar at the Manipuraga wheel. At the belly button, Lord Brahma was born out of this Manipuraga wheel. Kundalini power is in the form of a goddess as Sagasrara is above all the wheels mentioned above, is on top of the crown. Bowing down and worshipping Sagasrara, Kundalini power goddess, is equal to worshipping the Trinity, Shiva, Vishnu, and Brahma. Om Namah Shivaya, Song 26. The creator Brahma, born out of the Lord Vishnu at the Manipuraga wheel, located at the belly button, perishes. Lord Vishnu also dies. The god of death, Yama, dies. King of wealth, Lord Kubera, dies. The lord of Devas, Indran, loses eye after eye. At the time of deluge, it is only the souls who worship Kundalini power at the Agnya wheel, the place in between the eyebrows, the third eye, the place of Lord Shiva, and at the Sagasrara on top of the crown, the goddess Parashakti. They alone live forever and recreate the universe. Om Namah Shivaya, Song 27. Each and every word I utter is chanting your name. My movements are the mudras in worshipping you. Each and every step of mine is a journey around you only. My eating and drinking is the fire worship I offer to you. Let good or bad come to me. I am not aware of anything. It's a total surrender to you. Everything is yours, and you are everything. Each and every breath of mine is your worship. I bow down to you and I worship to you, O Kundalini Sakti, the great goddess. Om Namah Shivaya, Song 28. Indra and Brahma drink the nectar. The nectar is the elan vital white semen flowing upwards the spinal cord from the base of the spine Muladhara wheel. This energy flows to the spinal cord, the right nerve Pingala and the left nerve Ida. After drinking, both Indra and Brahma also die. Indran means the white semen at the spinal cord. At times, this dries up. Brahma is born out of Manipuraga wheel. At times, this wheel also dries up. The elan white semen Kundalini energy is filtered and cleansed at the Visuddhi wheel at the throat. This is the seat of Lord Neelagandan Nanjundaswamy, also called as Lord Shiva. Kundalini elan vital white semen never gets dried up here because it is below the Agnya wheel and Sagasrara. And Sagasrara is the seat of Parashakti, the goddess of Kundalini. Om Namah Shivaya, Song 29. Manipuraga wheel is Lord Vishnu place. Spinal cord is the seat of Lord Indra. Brahma is born out of Vishnu. When one does meditation, one should not get stuck at these wheels. One should concentrate at the Agnya wheel only. In the due course, by regular practice, one will reach the Sagasrara. Sagasrara is the ultimate, the feet of goddess Parasakti, the Kundalini energy. Song 30. Kundalini power goddess is the one without birth or death. On account of this, the Sagasrara and the Agnya wheel, the place in between the eyebrows, the third eye, the place of Lord Shiva is always worshipped with camphor fire. Om Namah Shivaya, Song 31. Kundalini power is in the form of Lord Shiva at the Agnya wheel, the third eye, the place in between the eyebrows. Concentration at this place taught 64 arts, but this was misused to satisfy desire, lust, and anger. With the power at the spinal cord, which resembled the stick, the person was taught the correct method. Then the person started to use the Kundalini power for creative purpose. Om Namah Shivaya, Song 32. Shiva, Sakti, Lust, Kama as a part of the earth. The next sun, moon, Manmada, Hamsa, Indra, letters as another part. Para, Manmada, Hari, letters as another part. All these letters join at the final Harim, and this summarizes totally 15 Ashtarangalam, total of number of letters which merge with your mantra at the Kundalini Sakti and remain as a symbol. People worship the Kundali power at the different wheels. At the Swadhisthana wheel, the seat of Lord of Last Manmada, they use the mantra word glim. At the Anatha wheel, which is the seat of Goddess Bhuneshwari, the wheel is at the spiritual heart, it is the cradle of fine arts. The mantra word Hrim is recited. At the Manipuraga wheel, the seat of Mahalakshmi, the mantra word Srim is recited. People worship the Kundali power reciting three mantra words at the Agnya wheel, the seat of Lord Shiva, the place in between the eyebrows. The elan vital white cement flows upwards to the Agnya third eye. This is referred as the white ghee. The Muladhara is being referred as the Kamadhenu. Om Namah Shivaya, Song 34. Kundali power, I worship you at the Agnya wheel, third eye, the place in between the eyebrows, the Lord Shiva. This is the axle of the mind. Kundali power, I worship you at the Sahasrara. You are the place of the Shakti goddess. The busts of the goddess resemble the sun and the moon. The Sahasrara and Agnya wheel merge with one another. There is no difference between both of them, Shiva and Shakti. Both of you are Ananda Bhairavar and Ananda Bhairavi. Om Namah Shivaya, Song 35. Kundalini power, you are the five elements. You are at the Muladhara as earth, the goddess Shakti. At the Swadhisthana wheel, fire, the lord of lust, anger and desire, Manmada. At the Manipuraga wheel as water, Lord Vishnu. At the Anatha wheel as air, goddess Saraswati. At the Visuddhi wheel, ether, Lord Nanjundasamy, Neelagandan. At the Agnya wheel, the mind, the place in between the eyebrows, the third eye, and Lord Shiva. On top of the crown, a Sahasrara, goddess Parasakti. You are Shiva and you are Parashakti of the universe. Om Namah Shivaya, Song 36. People worship the Kundalini power regularly at the Agnya wheel, the place in between the eyebrows, the third eye, the place of Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva is both good and evil in character. The one who worships Kundalini power at the Agnya wheel, the place of Lord Shiva, enters the realms where the place is more glowing than the 1,000 moons and suns put together. Om Namah Shivaya. Share to increase your joy. Share to increase your happiness.